Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reverse your video using InShot application. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my InShot application, and first thing first, I'm going to open a draft I have just created on InShot. I'm going to click on the video, and this is my draft. I'm going to open it, and this is my original video guys. I'm going to make this video play backward. If you want to do that, we just need to go to the reverse option. You can scroll all the way to the right to find this reverse option, and just click on this reverse, and then you have to wait until 100%. Okay, and now the video has been reversed, and I'm going to check it guys. This is the final result, and that's so easy, right? You just need to click on the reverse and your video will be played backward automatically. Alright guys, and that's how we can reverse the video on InShot. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.